everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I'm going to share with you today some tags that I made where I used the badges from my chai badge maker. And I used the 1.5 inch badge, which I will share with you how I make the badges as well. And I'm also going to show you how I attach the badge, how I layer them together. So in case anybody else who has a badge maker wants to make badges where they can incorporate, the badge into their tag, I'm going to show you how you can do that. And I will be back shortly with all of the pieces put together for you to see how it goes together. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I know this is not going to be the best view for this, but I'm going to do my best to show you what we're going to do here. I'll try to swing this out here so that it makes it a little easier. We're going to start by putting the base of our badge right in there like that. Now, like I said, I do not have it comes with this clear acetate like type piece. I don't know that you're going to see it, but it's right here. Then here's the piece that I cut out, and I used a die. Now, because I used the die and not their punch that they sell, which I would really recommend using their punch because I think it would make it easier for you. But because I don't have that, I use this, so I had to take a second to line it up, which I did. Now, I'm going to line it up so it goes straight, facing toward me. So I'm going to have to turn this back toward me so I can see here. Oh, there. Now you can see it. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and line Santa up so he's facing toward me, all right? Now that I've got him facing toward me, I'm going to swing him over here. And I'm just going to pull down the handle one time real easy. And now he's gone. He's stuck up inside up here. And we're going to take the bottom part. This is the back piece. This is where the little pin is. We're going to turn that upside down. And we're going to put it so that the little pin is horizontal. It goes like that. And we're going to put it like that. And this is going in the B die. And we're going to spin it around. And we're just going to push it down all the way. It doesn't take any strength. You just push it down. Spin it around. And there's the back of your badge. Let me zoom you in here a little bit. Here's the back of your badge. And there's the front. There's Santa. So this is going to be the face of our tag. Super easy. Super simple to do. This is a little bit of weight, but it's not horribly heavy. And there is our badge. I love this. And it doesn't have to be on a tag. Actually, I made extra of these so that they could be given out and worn at Christmas time because I just think Santa is adorable. And you can see there that the pin is, horizontal, so it's perfect to pin him on with. And absolutely love how he turned out. And I will be back to show you the tags and how I put them together. Just 1 second. Alright everybody, these are the tags that I made. And I'm just going to show you how I hook the badge in place. And what I did for that was I print out the tag and the badge at the same size. Now I don't print out all this extra space up here when I cut out the badge so I don't waste my ink. But I cut it out, the little Santa and all that out at the same size. And then I just line it up here the best I can. I mean, this is not going to be perfect or anything. I mean, I'm sure there might be a better way, but this is the way I could think to do it. So I line it up so it looks like it's lined up for me. And I just take it. I'm going to have to take it off camera, but I hold it up to the light. And I will show you in a second what I'm doing here. And I just take, my tweezers and I poke the hole in the back here where I can see that my pin lines up, my pin back, where I can see that this part lines up through the light, and I just take and poke my hole through there so I have my hole bases. And then I bring my Crop-A-Dile in because it did not line up because they're, you know, they're all going to come out a bit different because they're cut, you know, I eyeball them. I don't, you know, do any exact measuring or anything. So no two are going to line up exactly perfect. And these ones look a little off. So with my luck, I did them cockeyed and didn't pay attention because I was trying to rush. Oh no, I think I did pretty good. And there we go. There is Santa lined up. Let me move that out of the way here. And then I just use my Crop-A-Dile to make the holes look a little nicer and to make them a little larger. That way I have a little leeway there and how I'm going to, you know, so I have a little wiggle room. And this is the one that I finished. Now for on the back here, so that I have a little room, I just added foam tape to this one. And that way whenever you want to take it off, you have a little space here that you can work with to unpin it and everything without mangling the gift or anything. Then you've got your two up here at the top. I was thinking about putting a from down here, but I haven't decided. And absolutely love how it turned out. This is just the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. This is from Knitwit Collections, the design here. And then of course I used my Chai button maker. Let me just slide my scissors under here and see if it gets rid of some of that glare for you. There we go. So it's not quite as bad. And so it's super easy to do. I absolutely love my button maker. As a matter of fact, I ordered the 2 1/4 inch size die so that I will be able to make larger ones. Now, I don't think that I will use the larger ones for the tags, but I am going to use the larger buttons to make ornaments for my husband's Christmas tree for his Sunday school class at church. And that is it. I wanted to share this with you. And I hope that you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Remember to practice your CPR. Craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.